What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you this awesome new trick to make $300 a day from just about anywhere in the world. That's right, not just the US. I'm talking about anywhere in the world. And all you need is the ability to type, a computer, and an internet connection. So just about anybody you can imagine should be able to do what I'm about to show you. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through this step by step. And towards the end, I'm actually gonna introduce you to a super secret awesome strategy that's really going to help you in your success in doing this. So don't go anywhere, let's dive right in. Okay, so first off, the thing to know is that you're gonna be doing this through a company that's called SquadL. Now, SquadL actually works with companies to help them come up with a perfect name for their brand. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be going through SquadL to come up with these brand names. There's actually a ton of ways that you can make money through SquadL, but right now we're gonna be focusing on coming up with brand names and taglines. A quick note for those of you who are designers out there, you can also use SquadL and design logos and things like that and different types of graphics as another way you can make money on this site. So it's not just about brand names, although that is the main focus right now. So here's what we're gonna do. First off, you're gonna create an account. It's very simple. You just go to the home page and create an account. The next step is, so a business owner is going to launch what's called a naming contest. And to get to these, all you have to do is go to the top of the home page, go over contests, and then click where it says active contests. It's right here in these active contests where people from around the world are submitting brand names to try to make money. And the way that it works is basically if your brand name gets chosen, you're just getting paid. And that's as simple as it is. Now, for those of you who are wondering whether or not you will get paid or if this is a credible company, SquadL is a huge company. It's really not something I would worry about. People from around the world are getting paid for what they do with SquadL. So when it comes to having better odds of winning these contests, the things that I would do are as follows. First off, I would do heavy research into the company that has produced this contest. I would try to find out a little bit about the history of the company, who they are, what they do, any information I could find out to better come up with the perfect brand name for them. People who are going out there and just coming up with random names that are completely irrelevant are not winning these contests. The people who are winning actually care. They actually care about what this company is, what they do, and any information that they can find out about them. And then they produce something valuable, a valuable brand name based on that information. Now, another thing that I'll mention here, something that you can do, is you can use things like brand name generators. Just do a Google search for brand name generator. There's a ton of them out there, and this will help spark some ideas for you. One other thing that I want to mention that you can do is you can make sure that the domain name is available. That's going to be very important to a lot of these companies, is that there is actually a website address that matches up with this brand name that you're coming up with. So make sure that the domain name's available. And the last thing that you want to do is submit to as many contests as you can. The odds are going to be much more in your favor the more contests that you submit to. Don't just rely on one contest and hope that maybe this works because I did one contest. That's, the odds aren't necessarily going to be so great in your favor just by submitting to one contest a week or something like that. If you can really take the time and invest yourself into this and submit to multiple contests, you'll have a much greater chance of winning. That pretty much covers it. It's literally that easy. So I want to ask you guys, if you guys got some value out of this and you want to learn more ways to make money online and easy ways to make money online, just make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below with any questions you might have, and don't forget to also hit the little bell notification next to that subscribe button so that every time I produce new videos, you can be notified. And I love giving you guys some value. So I do hope I'll see you in my future videos. Now, one last thing I will mention is, although this is a really great way to make money online, my personal favorite way is YouTube advertising campaigns for companies. For those of you who know me, this is something that I'm very passionate about. I actually have a cheat sheet in the description below that will show you step by step how you can create a YouTube ad campaign and start making money for companies doing this. And this is something that pays oftentimes thousands of dollars every month when you have a single client. So with that being said, I really hope that you got something out of this. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.